or evident that the allegations were criminal and ought to have been proved beyond reasonable doubt. So you say that the evidence was there. Are you implying that it wasn't looked through?
That is our point. Because, as I said, witnesses were invited. People that were polling agents, people that were supervisors at polling units, and they came with graphic evidence of all the electoral malpractices. And we laid it bare before the court. They were cross-examined. The witness, the exhibits they tendered were accepted in court. But upon all this was what the judges came up with. And that's the reason why we have resolved, or our principal has resolved, we go upstairs. The beauty of it all is that that's not the final court. So we ought to get to the Supreme Court and get the pronouncement of the Supreme Court vis-a-vis the evidence, the avalanche of evidence that they were provided to prove. There were instances, for instance, where we brought the EC from EC 8As, where the figures were doctored. You would see the APC result increased, PDP results reduced, for instance. A Labour Party result also mutilated. So,
thank you so much. Just hear what APC lawyer said concerning the miscarriage of justice by the presidential election petition panel sitting in Abuja that just gave their ruling, that accused the legal team of PDP and Labour Party of not being able to produce evidence. The party said they did. So the argument now is that who is lying? Is it the panel of justices of the appeal court, or the legal team of the two political parties, Labour Party and PDP?
That we had 5 justices of the Court of Appeal. And all the 5 from all parts of this country agreed that the case of the petitioners lacked merit because they couldn't prove all essential ingredients to the satisfaction of the court and of the law. So, and Prof is saying something different. It is either the justices, the 5 justices, with due respect to them, are telling lies, or Prof and his team are telling lies.
But the Nigerians know the truth. We are listening to daily briefing, and the legal team were meeting with the panel presenting their case. We all listen to daily briefing. So the appeal court justices should search their conscience. They should search their conscience. That is just what Nigerian people are saying. Search your conscience. Because you see, you cannot cover up the truth. It's so unfortunate about what is coming up concerning how they arrive at their ruling, their decision. Is so unfortunate. But Nigerians know those that are lying. They know, because they understand and they believe that the legal team of Labour Party and PDP proved their cases beyond reasonable doubt. So Nigerians know those that should be accused of lying.